Meet the command block. Your terminal, reimagined as a building block. Powerful commands live buried in docs, scattered across videos, half remembered in your head. Copy, paste, pray. In graphics, just describe it or drop a link. The command block reads your docs, even a whole video, and pulls out every command, each with a plain English explanation. Wiring your inputs. Hit Run. Graphics assembles a clean, shell-safe command, no injection, no typos, and captures it right back into your diagram. Now chain it. Pipe that command into a device to run on real hardware, or into a procedure for whole pipelines. Build it once. Run it anywhere. The command block. Your commands, visual, reusable, alive. This is graphics. Agentic AI block diagrams, anywhere.